Hello, scholars and parents. Let me just introduce you to Google Slides a little bit. This would be our classroom email account. If you don't know how to log on to H2, you need to find that out first. This is logging on to the H2, our shared account, and you will find Google Slides in these 9 dots in the corner. I'm going to click on that, and you will notice slides here. And this is something that you can use for all sorts of projects and fun stuff in this class, and the kids seem to really like this. With these options, you can either choose a template and one of these pre-designed templates and then change the words to whatever you'd like, or you can choose a completely blank new one to start with. Anytime you start a new project, you are going to want to create a name for yourself in this upper left-hand corner. Keep in mind that just like losing a paper in a classroom, you want to make sure it has your name on it, or you might not be able to find it, and there may be other Lauras in the universe. So I may want to call it my first and last name. And take a minute to think of what the name of the project should be, something to do with the purpose of your assignment. I'm going to call it a Google slideshow. Okay. And I just want to show you that this is a slideshow, and you can add as many slides as you want by this little plus button here, and this allows you to move around in your slideshow. If I'm on the first slide here, it tells me I can click and add a title. So here I can add a cool title if I just click there and type, and an even cooler subtitle. And there are so many options, and just like with anything in this class, innovate, create, find new ways to do things. Don't just limit yourself to the stuff that I show you here. Find something new that this does that we don't even know how to do, and teach us about it. There's lots of things that you can do with Google Slideshows that I'm not going to tell you here. I'll just give you a sort of sneak preview of some things you could do. So you can change the background color here. So I might change the background color to a beautiful blue, because I like blue. And you can choose an image. And if you're at your home and you had a photo or a picture or something like that, you can choose an image to upload from your home computer. Or you can search for an image. And since I'm doing a slideshow, I might search slideshow. And there's a beautiful slideshow image. Right now I think I was on the background image, so it's going to create it as my background. Oops, I didn't want it as my background, so I'm going to go edit, undo, and you'll learn you can undo or redo anything. And then I'm going to I would like the image elsewhere, so I'm going to click somewhere new on here, and I'm going to put insert image. And I'm going to search the web for an image, and I'm going to find my slideshow image that I wanted, and there it is. And I'm going to insert that. And now I can click on the corner here, make it small or big. I can turn it. Ooh, I don't like it turned, so I'm going to go edit, undo, or Control Z, shortcut. And then I can move it up here. I like that. Let's say I want words in a different place than there are words. I could move my words, or I could change my words. But I can also add words wherever I'd like. So if I want to insert words up here, I can insert a text box, put some words up here, and now I could put some cool new words. And they don't have to be cool, but and then if I highlight this, I want to choose this font because I like the way that looks. And then I'm going to choose this. I can change the size because I can't really see it that well. I might change the background color. So many things to explore. These little dots right here will allow you to have some more formatting options, so you can bold your cool new words, or you can make your cool new words a different color, or you can do all sorts of different things. You can decide to put it in the center here, and all kinds of things. So I want you to explore, discover, innovate, find some new things to do with Google Slideshow. Have some fun.